Is Shopify good for SEO? In this video, I'm going to explain to you if you should use Shopify, what the pros are and what the cons are if you're trying to get your e-com store to rank on Google. Now, just before we shoot into the video, if you'd like me to coach you on how to do SEO for your Shopify store for only $49 a month, go to learndominatemarketing.com. And if you'd like us to do the SEO for your Shopify store with guaranteed results, go to dominatemarketing.io, book a call with us there. Right. So, using Shopify for SEO. The couple of things you need to know before we go into the pros and cons. Most e-com stores that rank on Google are on Shopify, which means clearly Shopify stores do rank on Google, so it does work for SEO. Now, Shopify has been making their platform more SEO friendly to help with this, especially in recent times. So it's been getting better and better, and you can optimize more SEO factors through the platform, which is making it easier to rank. Now, a couple of things that you do need to know about it. The pros of Shopify for SEO. Firstly, it's very easy to use. So that's a positive, especially if you're just getting started and you just need to set up your e-com store. It's extremely easy. It allows you to do all the SEO basics that you need to do. So meta titles, H1 headlines, descriptions, content, internal linking, all of these things. You can do that in Shopify without a problem, and it is fine for SEO. You can definitely rank your Shopify store on Google. That's been proven over and over again. It has a responsive design, so it's mobile friendly, which is good, so you don't have to worry about that. It's got automatic sitemap, which is good as well, so you don't have to worry about making a sitemap. It just does it for you. It allows you to optimize image alt text as well, which is now becoming important for SEO. And it's got relatively fast loading speed for the store, so you don't have to worry about website loading speed and things like that, which do affect your SEO. So there's a lot of positives when it comes to using Shopify. Now, a couple of cons when it comes to Shopify for SEO. You're limited with the technical features and more advanced things that you can do. So it's made as a beginner's platform to make it easy to set up an e-com store, but the problem is when things get complex and too big and you need custom solutions, Shopify doesn't really allow you to be able to do that. So that can be one downside if you're dealing with a big or complex e-com store. Now, you can't edit the full URL, only the slug at the end. So what that means is, let's say for instance, you got your shop.com/collection/this/ and then the product. You can't actually edit that whole URL. You can only edit the product at the end, which is fine. You can still optimize this, but it's not ideal, especially if for some reason you need custom structure of the URL or something like that. Unfortunately, you can't do that, so that can be a downside for SEO. It's got limited blog features, so for instance, it doesn't allow you to add no-follow external links in your content on the blog, which is a downside for SEO, and it's also just not as in-depth as, let's say, something like WordPress, which basically allows you to customize everything. Now, you've got limited customization, like I said, for larger and more complex sites, which can impact your SEO if you need something specific for a specific use case and you can't do it there. You may need to use additional SEO apps from the Shopify store to do everything you need to do in order to optimize the store correctly. So just be aware that you're relying on external apps. It works most of the time, but it can cause issues sometimes, so you just need to be aware of that. And Shopify's default internal linking can also lead to duplicate content, which is obviously a big issue. So that's something that you need to be very aware of and account for when using Shopify. So overall, should you use Shopify? So if you're just starting out, I think Shopify is a great platform to just get started with, get your shop online and actually ranking for most keywords. So you won't really have an issue unless you have a very specific use case or the store is extremely large and you need some custom solutions. So in most cases, their SEO features are going to be more than enough to rank your e-commerce store. So 9 times out of 10, Shopify will be fine. However, if you have a more complex store that requires a lot more customization, and other platforms such as WooCommerce and WordPress or something like that may be a better option. So that's basically all you need to know regarding your choice for Shopify for SEO. If you're just starting out, just use Shopify and it will get the job done. Hope you enjoyed that one. I'll catch you on the next one.